What's up again guys? So again, mag-unbox naman tayo guys ng isa pa natin order guys para sa ating business na gulaman at palamigan ni Mavi. So ayun guys, kanina yung pin-upload natin na video is sa ating lamesa na in-order na. Ngayon guys, bubuksan naman natin yung lagayan ng juice guys. So watch and learn. Hintayin guys, bubuksan na natin guys. Yan, so excited ako guys kung anong magiging itsura ng ating palamigan guys. So, mura ko lang siya nakuha guys. So, I am suggesting and inviting you guys to fit the Yellow Basket para magkaroon kayo ng ganito at magkaroon kayo ng sarili ng business guys. Ayan. Dalawa kasi in-order ko guys kasi gusto ko yung isa para sa buko juice at yung isa naman is either gulaman or any flavor guys. So, naisipan namin mga asawa guys na mag-order nito guys kasi nga bukas election na guys, so madaming tao at mainit pa sa election, kailangan nila ng juice guys. So bumili kami ng yan, buksan natin guys. Tingnan natin guys. Yan, wow, napaka-cute guys, tingnan mo guys. Yan, wala natin yung isa guys. Ups, dahan-dahan lang. Yan, tingnan naman guys. Palamig guys, ayan. So kasya nito guys ang 8 na litro na tubig guys. So mura na kayo guys at malaki pa yung magiging income nyo guys. So what are you waiting guys? Check out the Yellow Basket and order now. Thank you, bye bye.